friends, family, tastemakers, Tanya here. Welcome to Tanya's Tasteful Table. Today we are making some Christmas gifts and everything came from Dollar Tree. And if you still want to participate in gift giving this year, a lot of people are opting out. But if you still want to do something and you want to do it on a budget and still have some good quality and festive looking gifts, here are some ideas for you. Today I'm doing, this one is going to be just a snack basket. So I got one of these buckets from Dollar Tree and I stuffed it with, this is what I do with all of my gifts. Take some craft paper because it's sturdy, yet it is malleable, and I'll stick it in whatever vessel that I'm using. And then, to make it look nice, I'll wrap some tissue paper around it. You can get all of this from Dollar Tree, okay? And then, start building. I got some cookies. These European cookies, these are good. Fiddle Faddle, caramel with popcorn and peanuts. Peanut Brittle. We have some dots. They have a nice little festive box. Got some red vines or Twizzlers, whichever ones. If they had Twizzlers, I would have gotten Twizzlers. And we got some M&Ms in a candy cane. Is that everything? Yeah, so I try to get a cookie, a popcorn, then you get some like a lick of some candy, and like a peanut brittle. Try to get a nice variety, and then a chocolate. Okay, so let's see. Put the larger items in the back. Do it like this first. Is that everything? That's not how I did my other one. Let me make sure. Got a nice little station here. Okay. Do it like this. Right. I'll take some more tissue paper, give it more stability. I'm going to put some shred right here. Add some shred to any gaps In here, we're going to add some shred. And if you know you have if you're going to give it to someone and it's going to be in transit, it's a good idea to take some tape and tape everything together. Tape everything together. Make sure it's secure. Okay. Mine got kind of twisted, but make sure it's as undetectable as possible. I have transparent tape here, okay? All right. So that's good. And then we have our basket bags from Dollar Tree. They come in a pack of 2. I've already used one. Isn't that very festive? It's cute. So how many items do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 the bucket. All right, so have 125. That's good. Take it like this, tape the edges around the back. And put a bow on it. This bow came from the